The past person mo, Aquarius. I am afraid to contact you. I wish I could share my good news with you. You speak to me through music. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. I left when I saw you with someone. I wish I had treated you better. Ang mensahe para sa'yo, to begin the practice of allowing, I must get out of the way and let Spirit give me direction. Ang mensahe para sa'yo na magdasal ka lang palagi para magabayan ka ng Diyos Ama ng gabay mo sa tamang path na